Number 0 Crypto Stamps and NFT Stamps Video Course Presentation. Welcome to the exciting world of crypto stamps and NFT stamps, an educational journey. Greetings, technology enthusiasts, collectors, investors, and the digitally curious. We are thrilled to introduce you to our groundbreaking online video course, meticulously crafted to explore the captivating and transformative realm of crypto stamps and NFT stamps. Through a series of engaging videos, we aim to provide you with comprehensive insights into this innovative niche, which merges the rich history of philately with the cutting-edge technology of blockchain. What will this video course cover? Our educational journey is structured into a series of videos, each dedicated to unraveling various aspects of cryptographic stamps and NFTs. From understanding the basics of blockchain and cryptocurrencies to exploring the intricacies of design, investment strategies, and legal considerations surrounding NFT stamps, this video course covers it all. Our goal is to ensure that participants, regardless of their prior experience, gain a thorough understanding and the confidence to navigate the crypto stamps market successfully. Video course structure. Throughout this series, we will delve deeply into the following topics. 1. Introduction to blockchain and cryptocurrencies. A comprehensive overview of blockchain technology, the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies, and the significance of major digital currencies like Bitcoin. 2. Understanding NFTs. Exploring the concept of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, their differences from traditional cryptocurrencies, and an examination of NFT standards such as ERC 721 and ERC 1155. 3. The world of crypto stamps. Tracing the evolution of postage stamps to crypto stamps, with real-life examples and insights into their role in modern philately. 4. Creation and design of NFT stamps. Detailed discussions on the technical aspects of NFT stamp creation, artistic considerations in design, and tools for designers and artists. 5. Key technologies in crypto stamps. An exploration of smart contracts, the minting process, wallet management, and security measures for crypto stamps, including verification methods. 6. Collecting and investing in crypto stamps. Practical tips for collectors and investors, including strategies for buying, selling, market analysis, and case studies on valuation. 7. Current and future trends in NFT stamps. Examination of emerging innovations, developments, and the potential impact of technological advancements on digital philately. 8. Legal and regulatory aspects. Insights into the regulatory landscape, copyright issues, intellectual property considerations, and ethical challenges in trading digital assets. 9. Advanced strategies for collectors and investors. In-depth analysis techniques, diversification strategies, and tips for protecting and maximizing the value of your NFT stamp portfolio. 10. Final project. Creating your own crypto stamp, step-by-step guidance on conceptualizing, creating, and marketing your unique NFT stamp, with insights for achieving success in the market. Why should you follow this video course? This video course serves as your gateway to understanding a market niche that is reshaping the landscape of collectibles, investments, and digital art. By participating in our series, you will not only gain valuable knowledge but also develop the vision to engage with or even innovate within the realm of crypto stamps. Each video is designed to build your understanding incrementally, ensuring that you feel informed, empowered, and ready to explore the opportunities presented by these digital assets. What you can expect. Engaging content. Each video is packed with essential information, analysis, and real-world examples to enrich your learning experience. Regular updates. Stay abreast of the latest trends, releases, and market developments in the world of NFTs through our continuous updates. Self-paced learning. Progress at your own pace, revisiting videos as needed to reinforce your understanding and mastery of the subject matter. We invite you to embark on this educational journey with us, where each video is a step forward in your quest to master crypto stamps and NFT stamps. Whether you're new to blockchain technology or an experienced collector seeking to expand your horizons, there's something here for everyone. Begin your adventure with us today and unlock the boundless potential of crypto stamps and NFT stamps.